Hi, it's Jamie Zach. I wanted to show a couple of my tips that I use within Excel when playing around with some large domain name lists. So this is a list of GoDaddy auctions which I downloaded through their FTP. So the very first thing that I like to do is I like to lock the very first row here, which tells me which data is in each column. So in order to do that, I click View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze Top Row. The next thing that I do is in column B, it's the GoDaddy item ID. I just delete that, so I right click and delete. And then the next thing that I do, I know that in column B there are two things. One says bid and one says buy it now. So I want to sort that to have all the buy it now up top. So I click data and then sort that. Once it has all the buy it now on the top, I leave this column highlighted and I'm going to hit Control F and I'm going to type bid and click Find Next. There's 228,094 domain names that are buy it now, which are essentially closeouts. So I'm going to highlight the last row of the buy it now, and then this is one of the probably the best tips that I like, but you hit Shift Control Home. So that just highlighted all of those buy it now domains. So I right click on this and I cut, and then I add a new tab, paste, and now you can play around with those and sort them by valuation if you would like, and put that to the highest to the top. You can sort by bid, traffic, anything like that you would like. So this is back on the main page. I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete all of these rows that we just cut out. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do, all these are essentially auctions. So I'm going to sort by end date, and I'm going to highlight column C. I'm going to sort this. So these are auction dates ending 9/28. So what I want to find is the next date. So I leave column C highlighted. I'm going to hit Control F, and I'm going to type the next date, 09/29/2020. Find next. So everything from above here, 40,410, is for a specific date. So I highlight that last row again, and I click Shift Control Home to highlight all those, and then I cut, new tab, paste, and again you can sort by valuation, you can sort by bid price, sort by bids. This is creation date. So the part that I obviously use the most is the Shift Control Home, which is really helpful. Just remember to keep the column highlighted when you're trying to find a specific thing or get to the end of a list. So this time I'm going to type 9/30, find next, close this out. You'll see here the 29th. You can just highlight that, Shift Control Home, cut, new tab, paste, back to your main list, delete, entire row, bam. So, and you just keep doing that until you get the data that you need. So Shift Control Home is to highlight everything from whatever row you're at, like this. Let's say if I wanted to go up from here, Shift Control Home, then you right click, copy, cut, anything that you want. So I hope that is helpful. That's something that I use quite often. Thank you. Have a great day.